For over 5 years, Maddox Jewelry has believed that purchaser should never be out of reach, because everyone deserves to shine. Tonight, we celebrate elegance without limits. Welcome to the Maddox Iconic Runway Diamond Jewelry Fashion Show 2026.
Ladies and gentlemen, handa na ba kayo? Handa na ba kayo? Ayan. They say every great brand begins with a vision, but only a few are built with the passion, the purpose, and perseverance to become truly iconic. To welcome us all this evening is an iconic woman whose vision transformed Maddox Jewelry into one of the most admired jewelry brands in the country today. As its founder, president, and chief executive officer, she has championed the belief that luxury should be beautiful, luxury should be meaningful, and within reach, empowering countless people to wear not just jewelry, but wear confidence. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming the visionary behind Maddox Jewelry, Miss Charo Cordian.
Good evening, everyone. To our distinguished guests, our celebrity partners and princes, members of the media, our valued business partners, dear friends, and to my entire Maddox family, welcome to Maddox Iconic Runway, Diamond Jewelry Fashion Show 2026. Tonight is deeply personal for me. 5 years ago, Maddox Jewelry began with a simple dream to create jewelry that was not only beautiful but meaningful. Jewelry that people could wear not just to complete an outfit, but to express who they are. From the very beginning, I believe that luxury should never be out of reach because confidence is not defined by status, age, or background. It is something every person deserves to feel. That belief became the heart of Maddox. Over the years, we have been blessed with incredible people who became part of our story. Our loyal clients, our celebrity partners, our dedicated team, and everyone who believed in our vision. We have transformed Maddox from a dream into growing legacy. And for that, I am sincerely grateful. This evening is our way of saying thank you. As we journey through different icons tonight, you'll discover that while fashion continues to evolve and trends come and go, one thing remains timeless: confidence. Jewelry has always transcended generations. It has celebrated milestones, preserved memories, and carried stories that live far beyond a single lifetime. This is what iconic means to us. It is not simply about fame or recognition. It is about leaving a mark, inspiring others, and becoming part of someone's story. To everyone who has walked this journey with us, thank you for making Maddox part of yours. As we celebrate 5 wonderful years, this is not the is not the culmination of our story. It is the beginning of an even more exciting chapter. From my heart, and on behalf of everyone at Maddox Jewelry, thank you for believing in our vision. And thank you for helping us continue to prove that luxury is confidence worth with pride. Enjoy the evening and let's all make this night iconic. Welcome to Maddox Jewelry Iconic Runway, Diamond Jewelry Fashion Show 2026.
Every icon begins as a story of living, not by chance, but through confidence, character, and purpose. Radiance, elegance, timelessness, legacy. What makes an icon? They live their story. This is Maddox Iconic Runway Diamond Jewelry Fashion Show 2026.
Si Jacqueline ba yun? Akala ko si Judy.
To be happy, you and I, we're like diamonds in the sky. You're shooting stars, see, it's an ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive. We're like diamonds in the sky. I knew that we'd become one right away. From the energy of sun rays, I saw the light inside your eyes.